Morning children, you are most welcome to the computer class. Uh, Hope you all are well and you are studying well. Uh, how are you feeling? Good? Yes. Now we are starting chapter 4, first step to internet, part 2. Today we will teach you website. In our last classes we have read about web page, web browser, uses of internet, advantages of internet, disadvantage of internet, all these things, world wide web. And today we will start our chapter with website. So what is a website? A website is a collection of one or more related web pages linked together through a system of hyperlinks. So website is a collection of more related web pages. That means more than one web pages, many web pages will be there, more than one web page or many web pages, and they are linked through a system that is called hyperlink. Okay, so what is website? A website is a collection of one or more related web pages. What is hyperlinked? Web pages linked together through a system of hyperlink. A website is similar to a magazine. It is looking like magazine. Have you seen any magazine ever? Magazine is a book in which you will get many types of stories, some information, and all these things will be there. That is called magazine. You can move from one page to another on a website using the hyperlinks. In the same way that you flip through the pages of a magazine. And how, as we change the page of a magazine and go from one page to another, and from a story to a information or anything else like that, in website also we will be able to change the, as a page, we will go from one page to another. One we will click one, we will get one website, then we can go to another website by one click only, like the page of a book or magazine. Moving from one website to another is called net surfing. So from what is net surfing? Moving from one website to another is called net surfing. Next is web address. What is a web address? A web address is the address or location of a website on the internet. All web addresses start with one of these: http colon slash, says two slashes will be there, or https colon two slashes, then www dot. The addresses of some interesting websites are given here: http www.pitara.com, http colon slash slash dimdima.com, http colon slash slash kids.discovery.com, http colon slash slash caradetails.com, http colon slash slash www.surfnetkids.com. To a website, type its address in the address bar and then press the enter key. So you have, if you want to search any website, you have to type this address and then you have to press the enter key. You will get that. Good to know. You should keep the address of the website correctly, i.e. leaving no space in between the words or letters. In this, see, there is no space. If you will give space, you will not get the website. Okay. Next we are coming to home page. The home page is the opening page of the main page of a website. So when we will start a website, we will get a page. We will see a first page, that is called the home page. The home page typically contains introductory information about the website that has been accessed, along with links to the further details of services or information the website provides. So in a home page, what we will see? The introductory information. That means what information the website is giving, or the what information we will get in the website. All these things we will get, and then we will get the further details also. For example, if you visit website http pbskids.org, see, no spaces between that, its home page will appear as shown in figure 4.4. See, this home page will come. Then if we will click on PBS Kids, we will get something. Next picture, we will get another thing. Like this, we have to move. The home page of a website can be changed or updated only by the owner of the website. So who will be the owner of the website? Only he or she or the person will be able to change the only he can change it or update the owner, the website homepage. Okay, so who will be the owner? Only the person will be able to change the or update the website. Clear? Okay. Next, home page. Oh, this one is up to here you will read, and I am giving you some fill in the blanks and short questions. I will give you a short question today. You will read all those things and you will write in the copy. Those questions you will have to write in the copy. Okay. So till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.